tunataka iongozwe ile muda. Hiyo muda ni kidogo sana.
Let's move on to matters health. Residents living along the shores of Lake Victoria in Kisumu County continue to face a health threat from bilharzia, a disease that spreads through contaminated water. Despite ongoing efforts that have mainly focused on school-going children, a new program led by researchers from KEMRI in partnership with the community is now taking a different approach, focusing on awareness, education, and active community involvement in prevention. Through this initiative, residents are being trained to identify the snails that spread bilharzia, as well as map out high-risk areas.
Bilharzia falls in the group of neglected tropical diseases just because it is not given the much attention it needs. So many persons in the community still do suffer a lot of morbidity. Morbidity is just the severe suffering you get when you are infected with the disease. So what the government in collaboration with WHO has tried to do to really lessen the development of morbidity is at least even to secure the future of children. That is why you see mostly we have this MDA in schools, where children are treated with the praziquantel, the drug of choice that is used for controlling bilharzia.
What this framework says to do is to create or co-create an application, a mobile application called the Health Information System that can be used within the community to provide and educate the people. So the framework requires us to work hand in hand with the community.
We noticed last year that although we had snails, as the water began to recede, then we began to see a proliferation in the snail population. So when it rains so much, some or most sites get washed away. The snail population goes down, but as the water recedes, then we begin to see a build-up of the population, and that also leads to an increase in the risks of infection, because for some of the areas where we actually seeing a proliferation in the number of snails, the snails that are also releasing the parasites are also there.
And still on